afternoon from Green Island Gardens again. Today I want to share with you one of my favourite perennial plants. This one here, Dictamnus albus purpureus, otherwise known as the burning bush, the gas plant, or dittany. The reason it's given the name the gas plant is because after the flowers, the seed pods actually give off volatile gases, and at night in the evening you can come with a lighted smouldering taper and it will actually ignite the taper from these oils that are given off. If you rub your hand on the stem or the leaves at any time, it's the most beautiful, strong, citrusy smell. Lovely, tall, strong stems, self-supporting, it doesn't need to be supported, and then these lovely heads of white, flushed, pink, purple flowers, which the bees and insects absolutely love. After the flowers have gone past, it has really gorgeous seed heads, sort of red velvety seed heads, which persist for months, and then it does die down for the winter, but comes back again in the next spring. It's a difficult plant to get hold of. Not many nurserymen sell it. It's hard to propagate and it really resents division, so the only way is from seed. And from seed it can take up to 3 to 4 years to actually start flowering. So the clumps take a long time to establish. But as I say, they really resent disturbance. So if you get one, if you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, make sure you plant it in the place it's going to stay. Don't try and move it. I learnt this at my great expense when my mother and I went on a plant outing many years ago, and trying to save money we thought we would buy one each. I bought the purple one, this one here, and she bought one of the white one, which I'll show you in a moment, which is equally beautiful. And the plan was that we would grow them on each in our own gardens for 3 or 4 years and then lift them, split them and swap a piece of each. All we succeeded in doing was killing the whole lot. So that was a lesson learnt the hard way. So as I say, plant it where it's meant to stay. They prefer a light, well-drained soil. They need enough moisture during the growing season, but they won't like to sit wet during the winter. They come from Southeast Asia, right across to Japan, China, and they can be found on hillsides and grassy slopes. So well-drained soils in full sunshine is the best conditions for them. Okay, so this is the white version, Dictamnus albus albiflorus. Equally lovely as purpureus. It does tend to flower several weeks earlier than the purple version. You can see I've got it growing here in the gravel garden where we've got the stone mulch, which actually keeps the soil moist below during the growing season, but it is still well-drained soil. One thing I forgot to tell you about was that they will set seed, so do look carefully around the plant for little seedlings that might pop up, and just protect them and nurture them like gold dust, and in a few years you'll be rewarded with a nice clump of them. So good luck with them if you can manage to get your hands on them.